Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to again my YouTube channel friends. So viewers, I hope you are also fine and I hope you are too good. First of all friends, space saving tables are designed to maximize limited living area option featuring folding managements, extendables, surface or compact designs. They are ideal for small apartment studios or any space where maximizing usable area is a first. These tables can be multifunctional, serving as dining tables, work desks, or elementary tables, and often in incorporated storage features. Here's more details description. Key X-rays. Many space-saving tables have leaves or sections that can be folded down or extended to adjust the table size based on its compact footprint. When not in use, these tables typically have a small footprint, taking up minimal space. Multifunctionality. They can be used for dining, working, or other activities, offering flexibility in how to space is utilized. Storage option. Some design like hidden shelves or compartment for storing items, helping to reduce sculptures, materials, and construction space saving. Tables are made from various materials like wood, metal, and laminates with a focus on durability and easy of maintenance. They often feature modern and sleek designs to complement marriage interior style. Example of space-saving tables: wall mounted workstation, a table that attached to wall and can be folded up or down. Folding dining tables, a table with leaves that can be folded to create a smaller surface or extended to accommodate more people. Transformer table, a table that can be transformed into different sizes and shapes to suit various needs. Space savers dining, a mid-century modern round table with a pedestal base often featuring a walnut finish. Secret space saving folding tables, a table that looks like a cabinet when closed and transformed into a functional table when made with hidden shelves. Benefits of space saving tables: efficient use of space. They allow for maximum utilization of limited space. Flexibility. They can be easily adapted for different purposes. Organization. Storage features helps keep the space steady. Cost effective. They eliminate the need for multiple furniture pieces aesthetics appeal began at a stylish without any room. Space-saving table. This compact but powerful table is designed to save space, making it ideal for any small room or office. Plus, its lightweight designs make it easy to move. Space-saving Space-saving table. This compact but powerful table is designed to save space, making it ideal for any small room or office. Plus, its lightweight designs make it easy to move. Secret space-saving folding table, crafted from high quality laminated chipboard. This table is designed for both style and durability. It's easy to maintain and built to withstand daily use. Space-saving folding dining table with tire storage extendable as a dining table. It's perfect fit for family for my 6 fidelity extended. This suitable for your dinner room and kitchen storage. Your kitchen instead others. Include the space-saving tables are perfect solution for maximization. Your transformer table, multifunctional space-saving functional transportable creators, modular multifunctional connected that adapts to your space and built to last. Flexible living start here. Space saver folding table for space savers changes are quick compact solution for any modern kitchens or dining room, ideal for adding style, dining space saving transforming tables. Coffee to dining tables are excellent furniture space savers, eliminating the need for a fixed dining table by staying as a compact coffee table in your living. Society space in folding dining table with 2 tier storage. This tiger's ability to transform from a dining table seating for first on to and coffee. This console table demonstrates its suitability for virus. Space saver dining table to pantry